Here's a couple of rules we use. Rule number one is to be debt-free, which you are. Rule number two is when you make your down payment, you need to retain enough to call your emergency fund, which is 3 to 6 months of household expenses. The third thing is never take out more than a 15-year fixed rate, where the payment is more than a fourth of your take-home pay.
So I always see these Dave Ramsey videos, and they always talk about his rules of being debt-free, of taking very low debt out, 15-year mortgage, 20% down. We don't all live in Dave Ramsey's world, who used all the debt that he took on early on in his life to make all of his money, to then be able to say, just put 20% down, guys. I already have $1 million in the bank, just use that money to put 20% down. Most people don't have that money. And a 15-year mortgage is a lot harder to qualify for, and maintaining a 25% debt to income ratio is even harder. So Dave lives in a world where he already is wealthy, and it's easy for him to preach these things. I hate debt, and I deal with mortgages, but I cannot get behind anything that Dave says whenever he opens his mouth, because he's always preaching from a level of I'm better than you, and you should get on my level, and if you can't get on my level, well then you're never gonna get there. Send me a DM if you have any questions.